to my channel. We have the new video, which is a 100 machine, one of our 100 machine challenge, and we have a new machine which is a Thales running on the virtual box, and we have cracked this machine and finding some vulnerabilities in this machine and exploit the vulnerabilities. And here this is my Kali Linux, which have the IP address is 104 and vulnerable machine IP address is 103. And I have scanned the network of vulnerable machine, which is using nmap, and I also use the ports, which is the 3 ports. Sorry, not ports, which is the options, which is SC, SV, and PN for the all ports scanning. And here is 22 port is open, port 88 is open. Okay, so now we what we do, we copy this IP address, which is here 103, go to the browser, paste it here, IP address. Okay, so 192.103 and running in the port 880, which is our HTTP port. So here is the Tomcat Apache version 9052. Copy this version, paste into our notepad for our remind us. And okay, so here is the documentations and Apache Tomcat default page is here. So we trying to use the metasploitable here. Metasploitable have the manager's ID, which is useful for us. So I open the metasploitable, which we can exploit the machine, and we use the Tomcat Manager login exploit, which is used for the use auxiliary scanner http/tomcat _ manager _ login. Enter. Okay, so we have the Tomcat, we have the exploit, which is a scanner http Tomcat Manager login. We have the options here. Here is the many options are here. We set only our host and username, which is finding the username and password. So this exploit what to do, login in the Tomcat Manager's login and trying to brute force on the login page, which we helps to finding the password of manager. So set the at our host, which is our 192.168.0.103 is our host. Okay, setting the R hosts and set the username, which is username is which is the Tomcat. Enter. Set var base. Okay, where base. And exploit. Okay, so we have a login successful here. So copy this and paste it to our notepad, which is the Tomcat is the username and roll1 is the password. So now we trying to use the exploit which is using this exploit, but we set the username again, username which is a Tomcat, already has a Tomcat, and okay, use we are using again this exploit, but there is some difference here using exploit. Using multi http / tom underscore manager underscore upload. Okay, so here is the no payload configure. Okay, so here is the exploit multi http Tomcat is here. Okay, so setting the R host 192.168.0.103 is our R host. We use the set R port, which is 880 port. R port is set the http username, which is a Tomcat, and setting the http password, which is a roll1. Okay, that's it. We are all set and exploit this. Unknown command. Okay. Okay, sending the payload, and we have the shell which is /home. ls here is the Thales, so cd here, ls here, we have the file which is a user.txt, not.txt, .ssh file is here. So our target is these three files, which is .ssh and nots.txt and user.txt. See, go to the ssh here, ls here. Here is the id underscore RSA. So we download this id underscore RSA. Download id underscore RSA into our root desktop. Enter and download complete. So we downloaded this file, and here is the user.txt. So we go to the back in the directory, ls here, get opening the directory. Okay, call channel open, operation failed. So we're trying to get this file. Into the root desktop. Okay, core panel open, operation failed. Okay, we cannot download this file, so we go to the here and cd desktop and ls here, ls-la. Okay, we have not the file. So where is the downloaded this file? Okay, we download again in the home. cd.ssh and let's here is the okay. We like cd desktop, but we have not have any file. We type to cd root cd dot as here cd as here cd here. Okay, we take some mistake here, so we type the root home kali, which we can trying to download this into the root kali. We trying to home and desktop. Home kali. Okay, desktop RSA. So we're trying to again cd desktop RS here. Okay, we cannot getting the file. Here is the id.rs. Okay, so trying to / here. Okay, we have the file which id RSA. So we're trying to SSH on the id RSA SSH to John and id.rsa into the SSH hash format, which is a hash. So we have the hash. So John, which is a word list, is a type the user share word list roq.txt. Okay. So here and SSH file. Finding the passwords. we have the password is vodka 06. Copy this, paste it over here. We trying to share in the which is our user is Thales. So SSH on the pgen 0.0.103, enter. Okay, SSH on the Thales thread 192.168.0.103, enter. Bias, okay, permission denies, publicly added, warning, permanently added the 103 list of known has. Okay, so opening the Luma /cities/host, we remove the host which is not, but it is interrupting us. Okay, there is we have the share which is we're trying to Python -c import pty spawn into the bin bash unknown command. So first we're trying to entering here, which is a Thales. So here is the user, which is we have the user. Okay, so here we have a mistake. User is here is the machine name, which is a user is device permission denied, public key, search. We have the ID RSA, so we can try this. We trying to sudo Thales. Let's see here. Okay, we have the shell. Okay, we have the shell. Python -c. Okay, we copy from here to here. Paste it over here. Python not found. Okay, cannot copy this. Okay, so we trying to sudo Thales. Trying to Python 3. Okay, we're trying to who am I here? Tomcat. Okay. Why didn't target the spawn? It's really tough for me, which is okay. Okay, we have the shell, which is a Tomcat, but we through the Thales, we have the password, which is a vodka 06, and paste it over here, enter, and we have the Thales terminal, and we're trying to sudo -l here. We have the type just anything here. Okay, sudo. Sorry, we users may not run the sudo. Okay, we type the id command, finding the id, which is a Thales. There is a many users are here. So we go to the sudo home, ls here, go to the ls here, cat user.txt here, and we have the user flag, which is mostly difficult. Notes.txt here. I prepared a backup script for you. The script is in the directory home local win.sh. Good luck. So we go to this file first, which is we read this file first, which is a backup.sh. Copy this and cat slash, and here is the backup dot file, which is here. Here is the backup files in the OPT Tomcat, our backups, achieving this file hostname in the tz file, backup files, okay, backup finished, yes. So we trying this file into the mail function. Okay, we input the command, which is user privilege escalations, execute the command in the terminal, which is append the backup.sh script for injecting malicious payload. Payload is the remove the file and entering the something else in the payload. Okay, so this is the payload is echo this file, so I don't have any mistakes in these files. So here is the command which we put into the backup.sh file and hit enter. Waiting for the connection which we connections made here. Trying to again run the backup.sh file, hit enter, and running this file, and there is no error here. Go to here and we have the shell. So who am I? Thales. So here is the Thales. Okay, so it is the bin.sh. We're trying to sudo root. Okay, so must be a Python 3-c. And we are run, but we are not rooted here. So trying to root this. There is a connection, but there is a no root connection, which is permission denied here. Okay. Trying to root. Okay, not into this directory. We're trying to here root, and password is trying to here is okay, authentication failed. So we have not the slash ID, which is not rooted the ID. So trying some different methods here. you can try this command and you can root. So tell me you are rooted on the command. I have not rooted, but